Hello, my friends. I miss you so much. Do you miss me too? Are you ready to learn some new words with me? مين جاهز يقرأ معايا ويتعلم كلمات جديدة ونلعب ألعاب حلوة مع بعض؟ Are you ready? Let's go!
Where was Yamna?
Guys, I have something. Look what I'm hiding. I'm hiding the mystery box. Here we are. Guys, let's see what's inside the mystery box. Some crackers, some potato chips, chocolates. Yes, here we are, the Add family. Today we will learn add. 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 Can you say it? Add. 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 قبل ما نبدأ add يلا بسرعة نراجع الكلمات اللي ذاكرناها الفيديوهات اللي فاتت. I'll show you a picture. You tell me what is the missing letter. شايفين الصورة دي؟ What is this? Say it in a complete sentence. جاوبوا في جملة كاملة. This is a hat. Oh, what is missing here? The last letter is T. Very good. Hat. What about this? What is this? Yes, this is a can. What is the missing letter? A. Super. So the missing letter is the letter N. Can. Here is the last picture. What is this? This is a jam. This is a jam. So what is missing here? J. A. The missing letter is M. Good job. Now you are ready to start learning some words with add. Oh, look at this. Can you see this family? Here is the mom, the boy, and the dad. D. Add. Dad. D. Add. Dad. Oh, what about this girl? Look here. Is she happy or sad? The girl is sad. Add. Sad. Oh my God, look at this man. What is he doing? He is super mad. Add. Mad. Mad means very angry. Add. Mad. Oh, what about this? This is good and this is bad. B. Add. Bad. B. Add. Bad. Very good. So these are the words that we've learned today. Let's try to read them one more time. D. Add. Dad. S. Add. Sad. Add. Mad. B. Add. Bad. Good job. Now it's your turn. Can you try to read the words without any help? مين يعرف يقرأ الكلمات لوحده؟ Let's try. Good job. Super. Awesome. Good job! You got 4 stars! Who is ready to play the feelings game? هوريكم دلوقتي شوية smiley faces. كل اللي محتاجين نعمله إن إحنا هنقلدها. Are you ready? Yeah! Okay. Look at this. This is a happy face. You can say happy or you can say glad. Glad means happy. لو أنت مبسوط ممكن تقول I'm happy or you can say I'm glad. I'm glad يعني أنا مبسوط. Go. Add glad. Oh, look at this. This is a sad face. Add sad. Who can make a sad face? What about this? Look at this. This is a sleepy face. Sleepy. Guys, I'm so sleepy. I'll take a nap. Nap. What about this? This is a mad face. Show me your mad face. Who is ready to read a sentence? يلا نقرأ الجملة دي مع بعض. My dad is not sad. My dad is not sad. My dad is not sad. Now it's your turn. Let's try to read it. My dad is not sad. Super! Guys, I prepared a surprise for you. Can you see these worksheets? In these worksheets, we're going to learn trace and match. مجهزة لكم worksheets حلوة جدا هتلاقوها تحت الفيديو. حملوا الworksheets واتبعوها واعملوا tracing وcoloring وmatching وما تنسوش توروني النتائج. Guys, we are done! Yay! Today, we've learned new words, we've read sentences, and we had so much fun playing games. النهاردة انتوا كنتوا شاطرين جدا. لعبنا مع بعض وتعلمنا كلمات جديدة وقرأنا جمل. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة علشان تشوفوا كل الفيديوهات بتاعتنا. See you later!
Learn with Yamna.